let's dive into the fascinating world of tuna production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and care come together to create something truly extraordinary. So, how is tuna made? The journey of tuna production begins in the vast ocean. Large fishing vessels equipped with advanced technology set sail to regions abundant with tuna. Using methods like longlining or purse seining, fishermen catch these magnificent fish. Longlining involves setting out lines with baited hooks that can stretch for miles, while purse seining uses large nets to encircle and capture schools of tuna. The stakes are high here. Overfishing can harm marine ecosystems, so sustainable practices are crucial. Expert fishermen monitor the catch closely to ensure that only mature tuna are harvested, maintaining the balance of the marine environment. This careful selection process ensures that the tuna used in production are of the highest quality, setting the stage for the subsequent steps. Once the tuna are caught, they are swiftly transferred to refrigerated holds on the fishing vessels to maintain a consistent cold chain, crucial for preserving the tuna's freshness and quality. Any delay or temperature fluctuation during this phase can lead to spoilage, potentially compromising the entire catch. The journey from the fishing grounds to the processing facility is meticulously planned to minimize transit time. Efficient logistics and proper handling during transport are essential to ensure the tuna remains in optimal condition. The stakes are exceptionally high in this stage. Mishandling or any lapse in maintaining the correct temperature can result in significant losses. Vessels are equipped with advanced refrigeration systems and are staffed by trained personnel who monitor conditions continuously. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the tuna is promptly unloaded and kept in a controlled environment to prevent any degradation in quality. Maintaining the cold chain from the moment the tuna is caught until it reaches the processing facility is a complex process that requires precision and attention to detail. This careful handling ensures that the tuna remains fresh, retaining its texture and flavor, and is ready for the subsequent stages of processing into high-quality products. The industry's commitment to these meticulous practices underscores the importance of each step in delivering premium tuna to consumers worldwide. At the processing plant, the tuna undergo a thorough inspection. Quality control teams check for any signs of damage or spoilage. The fish are graded based on size, color, and fat content. This grading process ensures that only the best tuna proceed further. The stakes are significant. Subpar fish can affect the entire batch's quality. Each fish is tagged and tracked through the production process, ensuring traceability and accountability. The goal is to maintain the highest standards from the ocean to the final product. This initial inspection sets the tone for the meticulous care and attention to detail that will continue throughout the processing stages. After passing inspection, the tuna are cleaned and butchered. Skilled workers remove the head, tail, and internal organs. The fish are then filleted, with each cut made precisely to maximize yield and quality. Advanced machinery assists in this process, but human expertise is vital for ensuring that the meat is handled delicately to maintain its texture and flavor. The stakes are high. Improper butchering can lead to waste and inconsistent quality. The resulting fillets are pristine, ready for the next step. This stage is crucial for preparing the tuna for either freezing or further processing into sashimi or canned products. Once butchered, the tuna fillets are quickly frozen to lock in freshness. This is done using blast freezers that bring the temperature down rapidly, preventing ice crystals from forming and damaging the meat. The frozen fillets are then stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until they are needed for further processing. Maintaining the cold chain is essential to ensure the quality and safety of the tuna. The stakes are high. Any lapse in temperature control can lead to spoilage. This careful handling ensures that the tuna retains its premium quality, ready for the next stage of processing. For tuna destined for canning, the fillets are thawed and cooked. They are then packed into cans with either water, oil, or brine. The cans are sealed and sterilized to ensure shelf stability. This process involves precise control of temperature and time to preserve the tuna's flavor and texture. The stakes are significant. Any error can compromise the product's safety and quality. Modern factories use advanced automation to ensure consistency and efficiency. Each can undergo rigorous quality checks before it is deemed ready for the market. This stage transforms the tuna into a convenient, long-lasting product loved by consumers worldwide. For sashimi-grade tuna, the process demands exceptional meticulousness and precision. Fillets are rigorously inspected for flawless color, texture, and fat content, which are crucial indicators of quality. After this initial scrutiny, the fillets are carefully sliced into sashimi pieces, destined for high-end restaurants and sushi bars. The handling of the tuna at this stage is incredibly delicate to maintain its pristine quality and ensure it remains in peak condition. The stakes are exceptionally high. Even a minor flaw can render the fish unsuitable for sashimi, resulting in significant financial losses and reputational damage. The slicing is often done by highly trained artisans or specialized machinery designed to replicate the skill of human hands. These experts ensure that each piece meets exacting standards in terms of thickness, uniformity, and presentation. This level of care and precision guarantees that sashimi-grade tuna consistently delivers the premium quality that discerning consumers expect. The meticulous attention to detail at this stage ensures that each slice is perfect, enhancing the dining experience for sushi enthusiasts. This process also preserves the tuna's rich flavor and smooth texture, which are hallmarks of high-quality sashimi. From the ocean to the plate, every step in the handling of sashimi-grade tuna is executed with the utmost care. This dedication to maintaining the highest standards ensures that the product upholds its reputation for excellence, delighting sushi lovers around the world with every bite. By adhering to these rigorous processes, factories ensure that their sashimi-grade tuna is not only safe to eat but also meets the gourmet standards expected in fine dining establishments. Quality control is paramount throughout the entire tuna production process. From receiving the catch to packaging the final product, rigorous inspections are conducted at every stage to ensure the tuna meets high standards. This involves meticulously checking for proper temperature, texture, and appearance. Any deviation from these standards is promptly addressed to prevent compromised products from reaching consumers. The stakes are incredibly high. Maintaining rigorous quality control is crucial for building and preserving consumer trust. Factories invest heavily in quality assurance programs, employing advanced technologies and trained personnel to ensure consistency and safety. Every piece of tuna is subject to thorough scrutiny, with quality control teams monitoring each step to guarantee adherence to established criteria. This commitment to quality ensures that every piece of tuna that reaches the market is of the highest caliber. By adhering to stringent quality control measures, factories ensure that consumers receive safe, delicious, and premium-grade tuna. This meticulous attention to detail not only safeguards the integrity of the product but also upholds the reputation of the brand, reinforcing consumer confidence with every purchase. Once the tuna has passed all quality checks, it is packaged for retail. Packaging plays a critical role in preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of the tuna. For canned tuna, this means sealing the cans and labeling them with all necessary information, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. For sashimi-grade tuna, it involves vacuum sealing to maintain freshness. The stakes are high. Any error in packaging can lead to spoilage or contamination. Proper labeling ensures traceability and informs consumers about the product they are purchasing. This stage is crucial for ensuring that the tuna reaches consumers in perfect condition. The final stage is distributing the packaged tuna to retailers. This involves a well-coordinated logistics network to ensure timely delivery. Maintaining the cold chain during transport is essential for preserving the quality of the tuna. The stakes are high. Any delay or temperature fluctuation can compromise the product. Efficient distribution ensures that consumers receive fresh, high-quality tuna. This stage is the culmination of the entire production process, from the ocean to the store shelves. The goal is to deliver a product that meets the high standards set by the factory and satisfies consumer expectations. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from the deep blue sea to your plate. This process artfully combines traditional fishing practices with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.